Welcome to today's podcast. I'm Norman Schafer, and today I'm with Brendan, the owner of Beachcomber Island Resort in Fiji. And we're going to talk a little bit about what makes this resort so unique and is why it's a place that you should consider for your next holiday in Fiji. Good to have you on the podcast today.
Thanks very much for having me.
Before we dive into today's episode, I want to tell you, if you've ever dreamed of experiencing one of the incredible destinations that we talk about on the show, be sure to visit farandawayadventures.com. For over 30 years, I've helped travelers discover some of the most extraordinary destinations on Earth. If this is of interest, check out the link in the description to farandawayadventures.com, and we'd be happy to make your next trip unforgettable. Brendan, can you first of all just kind of tell us a little bit about the Beachcomber Island Resort and what makes it so unique and sets it apart?
Yeah, well, as we can see from the photo behind us, Beachcomber is the epitome of a tropical paradise, right? If you have in your mind what a tropical paradise is, this is it. We have coconut palm fronds around the coconut palm trees around the island, white sandy beach, crystal clear, warm blue water, and a coral reef around the entire island, just a short snorkel straight off the beach. So it is exactly what you imagine with your ultimate fantasies of a tropical island.
So that beautiful turquoise blue water is a great part of it. The coral, where you've got lots of fishes and other things and marine life right there at the resort.
Yeah, it's actually a marine park as well. So we have no fishing, no damage to any reef. People aren't allowed to anchor on the reef. The corals are just absolutely spectacular. We have like heaps of turtles around, and turtles, manta rays in season that can't come on through, and loads of fish and coral. It's just gorgeous.
Now, what types of activities are there to do at the resort when people are not in the water enjoying the marine life?
Yeah. One of the things that we really pride ourselves on is that we really offer a lot of cultural experiences as well. So we have things like basket weaving and how to climb coconut trees. It's lots of fun. How to do the Fijian dancing. All different classes throughout the day, even cooking classes. We run a cooking class every day, all free of charge for anyone who's staying with us.
Now, how large is the island that you're on, and what's the name of the island?
Yeah, so it's Beachcomber Island Resort. It's not a huge island either. It's only actually 7 acres. At the moment, there's 37 rooms as well. So you've got a lot of space, a lot of privacy. We have bureaus as well as sort of hotel style rooms. And they're all right on the water. So every single room has beautiful, gorgeous views over the beach, over the ocean, over the coral reefs. And just an absolutely beautiful place to stay.
And how about if people are interested in other activities or excursions, are there any excursions that people can do from the resort to take them to nearby places?
Yeah, well, that's a great point. Because a lot of people just kind of come here and just want to lay on the beach with a cocktail, maybe go for a little swim. A lot of people are like that. There's a lot of people that want something a lot more exciting and adventurous. So every day we run a different day trip from the island. So we go out to places like Cloud9, a pontoon out on the outer reef. We go to Mamanuca Beach Club, which is another island for a day trip. We offer things outside of our marine park of fishing trips. Snorkeling trips to further reefs that are further away as well. So there's a whole bunch of other activities that you can do when you're staying at the resort. If you don't want to be the one who's just laying on the beach or going to the day spa, some people absolutely love that. Other people want to be a lot more active.
I'm assuming you have scuba diving nearby.
We have access to scuba diving. We don't do scuba diving on the resort, but we can do scuba diving. We have another scuba diving company that picks people up from the resort and takes people out to the outer reefs from here. So you can go and do a day trip to do scuba diving too.
Now, location-wise, you're actually very conveniently located in the Mamanuca near the Mamanuca area, are you?
Yeah, we're in the Mamanuca group of islands, but we're sort of the perfectly located island because we're about a 40-minute drive out from Port General. But we're far enough away to get away from that dirty water. We have crystal clear water all of the time. but we're one of the closest islands in as well. Most of the other islands are like twice that distance out, right? So the other islands with resorts. So we're far enough out to have crystal clear water all the time, amazing coral, but not so far out that you're going to get seasick on the way out, because the water from the port to us is virtually always dead calm.
And how do people get to the resort?
Yeah, we have our own boat. So we have our own two ferries that bring people out as needed. We also have a private boat. So whatever time anyone wants to come out, even if they arrive late at night, that we can still get them picked up straight from the airport and bring them straight out to the island late at night.
Yeah, I have to say that is an incredible advantage, because a lot of other places you have to wait until the ferry time, and maybe if you miss it for the day, you have to spend an extra night at an airport hotel. Whereas at the Beachcomber, it sounds like people can just fit it in exactly with their flight itinerary.
Yeah, for those people who are wanting to go straight from the airport straight to the island, spend their entire Fiji experience on the island, and then come straight back to the airport, you don't have to spend any time on the mainland at all if you come to Beachcomber.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for sharing a little bit about Beachcomber Island Resort with us.
Thanks, our
listeners.
Yeah, really appreciate your time.
Thanks for tuning in. Discover your next unforgettable journey at farandawaядventures.com. Experience the world differently.